Hello viewers, you are welcome to Daniel's Beauty. I am Uche Daniel. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare rice water for your super hair growth. If you want your hair to grow well, if you want your hair to grow fast, just watch out for this remedy I'm going to show you. Rice water will make your hair grow as fast as you want. But before then, I want to answer some of my fans' questions concerning the previous video I did. They were asking me the mixtures, for how long can they keep it, how many times can they apply it. I mentioned those things in that video, but maybe you could not hear me well. Let me correct those. Let me answer those questions. That mixture, if you mix it, if you wash your, for instance, you wash your hair on Monday, you can keep it in your fridge. Friday or Saturday, you finish the remaining one. But if you don't have fridge, please prepare the quantity that you can finish that particular day. Next time you prepare another one. Apply it 2 times a week. 2 times a week. Concerning the person that says she wants to grow her hair, I don't know if you are carrying natural hair or relaxed hair, but if whatever you want to do, keep watching, keep following me in my YouTube, keep watching the video. You will see all the natural remedy I am doing for hair growth. Follow me on those and do them the way I am doing mine. Your hair will grow. I hope I've answered all your questions. So now, let's go back to business. I told you I'll be showing you how to prepare rice water, fermented rice water for your hair growth. Trust me, if you use this rice water I'm showing you now, your hair will grow like crazy. Trust me. So this is rice. This you see is rice. This is the jar we'll be putting the rice inside. This one is water. So these are the only things we need. So another thing you need is spray bottle. If you are starting your natural hair journey, you need to have spray bottle. This one is remaining fermented rice water I put inside here. I'm using it. So this one is remaining one. If you want to start your natural hair journey, you need to have spray bottle. White comb. My comb is not here. I will show you guys the comb. This, you know, our natural hair, our African hair is very dry. So you need to moisturize your hair steady with water and oil. Maybe in my next video I'll go into those details well. But now I want to show you guys how to prepare this fermented rice water for your hair growth. So now I'll be pouring the rice inside a plate. Add water. Anytime you want to do your rice water, please add enough water to remove the dirt, so the dirt will come up. As you can see, you'll see the dirt. If you do not wash it with all this dirt, it's not good for the hair. Okay, you need to wash it well. This is the second one. Wash it again. I'm throwing those dirt water away. After that, you transfer the rice into your jar. If you don't want to do that, you can still put it here, massage it with your hand, but for not allowing this thing to sour, just pour the rice into your jar. Oh, So now I'll be adding water to it. Depending the quantity of rice you put, determine the cup of water you will put. So this water is enough for me. Now I'll be covering the jar. As you can see, this rice water, you will leave it for 24 hours. If you want to, as you soak it today, you will use it tomorrow. So like I said, let me show you how to apply it on my hair. But before I go ahead, please subscribe to my channel. Please. When you subscribe to the notification bell, and immediately I'll upload the video, you'll be the first to be notified. Please don't forget to subscribe. If this video is helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please, like as I said, let me show you how to apply it. And you will apply this thing. It's rice water. You have the whole nutrient it needs. It's not good to apply it every day on your hair. Apply it once a week on your hair. You can keep it as long as you want. You can keep it 4 days, 5 days. After that, change the water and put it in your spray bottle. You're using the water once in a week. If you don't want to spray the way I'm going to show you, you will use it on your hair. After shampooing your hair, deep conditioning your hair, use it as last rinsing. Pour it on your hair, cover it for 30 minutes. Use ordinary water to rinse it off. But if you are going to do the way I'm showing you, after spraying it on your hair, you will cover it, leave it the same 30 minutes, you rinse it off. So you can do anyone you want once in a week. So let me go ahead and show you. If you want your hair to grow like mine, you can see my hair is growing. So you can just see the way. Don't forget to massage anything on your hair. You see? So anytime you want to do it, always sanction your hair. You see the water is dropping on my body. So whenever you want to do it, definitely when you are doing it, the water will be dropping on your body. So put your towel or whatever around your neck if you don't want your body to be messed up. Okay? So that is enough of showing you how to apply it on your hair once a week. So you can keep it as long as you want. Please, it's once a week. Use it once a week. I will see you in my next video.